Britt, the owner and the operator of Crafts by Britt, and today we will be doing sublimation on Dollar Tree canvas boards. And so once you get on the video, like the video, comment the video, and if you're catching the replay, put hashtag replay in the comment section. So what I'm going to do is, I am waiting on my heat press to warm up to 400 degrees. I am going to go ahead and start cutting this, and then I'm going to move y'all over to the ring light. So basically, this is a little bit too big. I should have sized it smaller, but it's okay. This is the image that we're doing. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video, and let me know, are you a crafter or a business owner? So with sublimation, sometimes you get like ink on the ends, so you want to make sure you cut all of that off. You don't have to cut it out this much, but I just do it just to make sure. This is what we're left with. Like I said, it's a little too big for my actual canvas, as you see, but it's okay. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. Let me know, are you a crafter or a business owner? This is a free tutorial, and your way to pay me is going to be to like the video, okay? This is gonna be a quick tutorial, very simple. Like I said, I got these from the dollar store. You can use some from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, whatever, but I already had these available in my stash. So now that I have everything together that we're gonna need, I'm gonna put y'all on the ring light, and then we're gonna press this, okay? I told y'all this is gonna be a real quick tutorial. Real quick. But just make sure y'all tap that screen, give your girl some hearts, give your girl some likes. And I gotta get my heat glove too, y'all, so just 1 second. But that beep y'all heard was my heat press going off. So that means we ready to rock and roll. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. My heat press is set to 400 degrees. Now I did do the first one at 60 seconds, but it ended up scorching my canvas. So to start out with, this is called a pressing pad. I did get it off of my heat press, okay? This is just a blank sheet of paper, of copy paper. This is to protect my press pad just in case anything seeps over. So as y'all see, this is from the last design that was a little too big for the canvas. So I'm gonna lay that down. I'm gonna lay my canvas down and make sure y'all are in the shot. Lay that down, lay my canvas down, and then I'm gonna come and I'm going to position my girl onto the canvas like I would want her to be. So boom. Now, what we're gonna also have to do is, you want to protect your heat press. Anything you're doing, always cover up your heat press. You can use copy paper, you can use butcher paper, but I did forget one step. Just to make sure that there's nothing on this canvas, I'm gonna go over it with the lint roller. Okay, and then I'm gonna, like I said, put my image on there. And boom, you're gonna come through with a blank piece of paper. And then you're gonna put that on top to protect your heat press. I see I got some crayon stuff on there from earlier, and I don't want that to melt on my heat press, so I'm gonna just flip this around. Now, drop some hearts if y'all are ready to see the next step, which is going to be to actually press this canvas. Drop some hearts for me. Let's get the likes up. Let's make sure that everybody is in participation, y'all. If you are not liking the video, you're holding us back, so let's get this done. I got faith in y'all. As usual, I do have a big heat press, but I love using my Cricut heat press, and what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make sure to press it. Well, first of all, let me make sure I know where the canvas is, but I'm gonna make sure to press it straight down. And then I'm going to set my timer for 30 seconds. And last time I did this for 60 seconds and it left some scorch marks on there. So I'm going to probably do it for 30 seconds and then check it and then pull it up. I just want to make sure that it transfers Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. This is a quick tutorial. Okay, so now I'm probably going, I forgot, when I pulled it up the last time it flipped up on me. So I'm going to let it go for 10 more seconds just to make sure it transfers. Normally when I'm doing sublimation, I only do 30 seconds. And when you're doing this, you want to be applying pressure. Not so much pressure that you're going to break the heat press, but just enough. And then I'm going to pull it straight up. Take it off. Then you're going to get some heat gloves because this canvas is hot. It's going to stay hot for a few minutes. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. If you are a crafter or a business owner, please let me know in the comment section. And can I get some hearts, y'all? Are y'all ready to see the final product? Let me know. Let me know if y'all ready. Drop some hearts. That's going to let me know, okay? So now one thing to remember is that when you're doing sublimation, you're gonna, if it transferred properly, you're gonna be able to see the design on the other side of the sublimation paper. And so this is what we have. I see some of my crayon transferred onto here, but that's from me coloring before. But this is the end of the tutorial, y'all. You can put these with crayon. Oh, Jesus, it's hot. Hold on, y'all. Don't touch this without heat gloves. But you can put it with crayons and put these in Easter baskets, or you can add paint and put it with the Easter basket, or you can go ahead and sell these as paint and sips. Now this canvas only cost me $1.25. The sublimation paper probably cost me 10 cents, and you can easily turn around and sell these for $5. So you're getting more than double your profit. You could even go and sell them for $4. Y'all see how quick that was. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Start you an Etsy store and go ahead and get some of these. Buy them in bulk and list it on Etsy. At least you can make a couple of dollars before Easter. You can put Easter images, Black girl images, whatever. But if y'all like the video, comment the video. And I will see y'all later in the week for another quick craft tutorial. I was going to say craft tutorial. Thank you, y'all.